Do you like shrimp? Do you like easy recipes? Then stay tuned for this one. Today we're making shrimp salad wraps. So good. Here we go. This is really easy. We're going to be using some cooked shrimp already. What you want to do is you want to make sure you get rid of the tails. I like to just hold it and squeeze it out. Then you're going to take your shrimp. And cut it up in little pieces just like that. Once you've cut up enough shrimp for, I don't know, maybe 1 or 2 wraps, we're going to add a little bit of mayo. Now, if you don't like onions, you don't have to do this. Just a little bit. Doesn't have to be a whole lot. Some salt. Pepper. And then just mix it up. Next, we're going to take one of our flour tortillas. Put some lettuce down. And then grab some of your shrimp. There you go, done. Now I really like feta cheese in these, but I don't have any today, so we're gonna do with what we got. And I can't wait, it's been too long. Oh, really good. If you like this easy recipe, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do so. Until next time, guys, take it easy.